Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 17th of August till 23rd of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, so let's see for my Scorpio. So if anywhere your sun sign is not matching or is not resonating, so you can also go for your moon, Venus and rising signs as well. Alright, so you can check out all these other videos of mine. Alright, so let's see what do my Scorpios have. Okay, so 3 shuffles please. I saw 10 of cups. So it's like, you seeking for love, seeking for happy family or peace. Yeah. So let's see now, what do my Scorpios have. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. See, 10 of cups again. Okay. Alright. So devil. So Librans also got this in their overall energies. Okay, so I shuffled it a lot. Alright, so let's see. Okay, so your overall energy is the devil, and I'm seeing over here it's like getting attracted towards something which looks more passionate, which gives you a homely feeling, and basically towards happiness. So this devil is not always the bad, but it's like that you are attracted towards a thing. Okay, then you also know that wherever you are attracted towards, at the end it will actually, you will get nothing from that thing. Like for those who are involved into these kind of activities where they know that there is no love, there is just lust or something, so that you will not get back, it won't be a long term relationship, but still you like it. Okay, so that is that feeling, that is the overall energy over here. So this might be you or might be the other person. I don't know why I'm getting that, but let's see. Okay, so your past energies are the 8 of cups, the sun and knight of cups. So see, your first energy is like just going on, moving on from you left a situation because to go towards a thing which is actually looking more good to you. So this was like this. So see how you are going towards the sun over here. So it's like leaving a situation, a bad situation, might be a third party relationship or something. See how this person is moving away from these two people who are like happy and happily ever after standing over there, and this person is leaving because this person might felt betrayed or something like that. But this was in the past, so I'm seeing that it is like this person is, it's like, okay, I'm moving on from that energy, and with the sun and with the king knight of cups. So a very, since you are a Scorpio, so this is a very like emotional, with a very moving on with the flow kind of an energy. I'm seeing that you have left that situation really in the past and you're moving on with something new. Okay, in your present you have 10 of cups, king of rods and 4 of swords. So this is a situation where you are resting. Okay, you are taking like, might be doing some meditation or something, but you are giving your mind a little time to rest, and you might be even doing some kind of where you are looking towards your career or some other goals in life. Okay, so I'm seeing that. So with the future energies, I'm seeing the ace of cups, 5 of swords and 2 of rods. Okay, so a lot is coming. This is coming. This is a new beginning towards something, but just be aware of whomsoever you are meeting in your future, because I'm not getting a really good vibes over here, but we are going to clarify, we will. All right, so let's see why the devil is here in your overall energy. For the overall energy for my Scorpions, please. Ace of Pentacles is here. Okay, so this is a new attraction, might be, which is actually looking, very attractive. With the Hanged Man. Okay, so it's like you are thinking, you are still thinking. That's good, that's really good, that you are not jumping onto the conclusions. You are still thinking, you are taking your time, you are perceiving things, because Scorpions are the best in doing that thing. They are the best perceivers, they listen to everyone around them, and they analyze, because Scorpio means like secrets, and they just don't say blah blah blah. They just think, they listen to everyone, and then take a step. So this thing, which is actually looking very attractive to you, you want to start something new with it, but still you are thinking, you are taking your time in that thing, and that is your overall energy, and that is really good. Okay, so let's see why the Knight of Cups is here. Ace of Cups. Okay, with the Devil again. Okay, I don't know why you and Scorpio and Librans are really related, because if you can see Librans energy, a lot is matching with you. Might be you are in Libra Scorpio cusp. All right, so this is Ace of Cups with the Devil in your Knight of Cups. So this attraction actually was very new. It was a feeling of a newness, it was a feeling of a new love, it was a feeling of like a big attraction, like you going towards someone, I'm seeing. Might be proposing someone with whom you were attracted, but with the Devil, the problem is that it's just attraction, it's not the love, basically. Might be this attraction is your past life relation, like past life karmic attraction, might be that as well, because this is a really strong attraction with the Ace of Cups. Okay, so something is you are attracted towards something. I want to clarify the Sun over here in your past energy. Why the Sun is here? Why? 10 of Cups. So you were actually finding happiness in the situation. You were the one who was optimistic, but still you left. Might be because of big reason. Let's see why is this Eight of Cups is here? Why Scorpios left the situation? I want to know what happened. Okay, so I'm taking this, but I'm not taking all the cards. So I'm taking this Six of Pentacles over here. What else do we have? Equality I'm getting. It's like sorry, there are so many cards. It's like that you love to give love, you love to offer love, you love to offer help, you love to help the needies. That is what you actually do. But what others do to you, it's the opposite. So that happened, and that is why you left the situation. What else do we have other than the Six of Pentacles? Anything more clarity I really want. What else? Eight of Swords is here. Yeah. When the things which you do and you do not receive and you do not get the same things back, like the way you love, like you are giving your 100% and you are not even getting 10%, so at least you deserve like 60-40. At least you are very happy with that 60-40 ratio as well, and 50-50 is the perfect, but you were not even receiving that thing, that feeling. So I'm seeing that you started feeling that this is not the one, this is not the situation, this is not the person who is actually meant to be mine. So that is what you are thinking. And this might be attraction, a very, because you were actually looking at this thing as a, with the Ace of Cups and Ten of Cups, you were looking like, okay, I can even marry this person, I can even just take it to longer terms, with a very long term relationship, long term thing. You were taking this thing, but not from the other end. It didn't look to me like that. Why is this King of Rods in your current situation, please, for my Scorpios? King of Rods, King of Pentacles. Okay. I'm getting it. Okay, what else do we have other than this? There's so many cards, I'm sorry. Please, cards, let me know. Okay, so I have a card. Lovers. Okay. I'm really getting the feeling that, when the proper action is required, you are not able to take that proper action right now. Because with the King of Pentacles, this King of Pentacles is really stable, is really mature, but is very conservative as well. This King of Pentacles do not talk to a lot of people over here around him, but he is very calculative. Not calculative, he is very like, yes means yes, no means no. Okay, so that kind of a person. But it's like, you have to take an action for that thing, and you're not able to take. So your conservative energy is coming up over here, over you. I'm seeing that, where you are feeling your feelings and your action, they are not matching actually. Might be like, you still, for some of you, it's like still like there is love in a situation. I'm seeing that there, the choice. Okay, so I'm getting it. Okay, fine. Yeah. So the King of Pentacles and the King of Rods over here with the Lovers in between, I'm seeing that. All right, so I got it. This is a whole new energy. Okay, so there were choices. You have to make choices, but it's like you are very conservative. You are like, I cannot take a decision right now, please do not just force me to take a decision, but you are forced, like, choose fast. Okay, but you are in a mode where you are taking some deep rest. You are really thinking deep, you are resting, but do not think so deep that you might go into depression. I'm really sorry, I don't want to say that, but please take care of your health as well right now. So whatever the choices which you have to make in your life right now, just if you are not able to make those choices, please just stay calm. Do not make any choices, just take rest, heal yourself from a situation, because there was something really bad which might has happened in your past. So you really need to heal right now. That is what is showing up over here. So let's see why the future cards. We have Five of Swords. Why the Five of Swords is here? Why Five of Swords is here? Queen of Swords, Five of Pentacles, and Nine of Pentacles. All right. Okay. And I'll see this as well. Two of Rods. So I got it. Okay, so be prepared, Scorpios. Be prepared, because someone is coming back. From the past, Ace of Cups. In the future, Ace of Cups. Past is really coming back, but the person who left you is really going to do some manipulative stuff. Some kind of manipulation is coming up in your future, and I'm seeing that you're really smart enough to judge, not judge, basically you are very smart enough to know exactly what is happening. You're not in that mode where you are just, okay, so you have come back for me, really, so let's get back together. No. Mm-mm. You are not like that. You are very independent. You are becoming very independent. You know what is actually happening, so you are, you are so independent that you are ready to take decisions for your life. You don't need anyone who is telling you that do this, do that. No, you are really in that mode where you can take your decisions very well, and that is what you are doing. The person who is coming towards you, and you are becoming the Queen of Swords against that person. Like, you are going to talk really cut to cut, and you are not going to listen to anyone's bullshit. And if you will feel that this person is not the one, this person is not exactly the same person, because that person might be manipulating you in your future, and but you would know that. Five of Swords again in your future energies, which was there in your, okay, sorry, Five of Swords 2 times is here. So 5 and 5 means 10 of Swords. So it's like, whatever the ending is, whatever this thing is, just be aware of the people around you who might manipulate you. So there might be confusion in your life, like which road to go, but this might even manipulate, these kind of people even manipulate you with, like, they love you, they want to marry you, whatever. They might say that let's seek higher guidance. They would tell you that this is the best love they have ever received or whatever. But I really feel that you are really going to stay calm this time. You are not going to take any decision like just like that. All right, so that's all, Scorpios. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.